Alright, welcome to my review of the LEGO Classic Truck number 3221. Here's the box, ages 5 to 12, 278 pieces, LEGO truck. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Sorry for the dents in it. My cat right there sat on it. Tiger! Sat on it. Details in the back. The little guy. And putting stuff in. You can carry all that. But yeah. I'll give you the car. I'll show the sorry. The main truck, I meant the instruction. Here's the instruction booklet. I like the little mud flappers right here. They're really cool. The Lego stickers on the back. Sorry if they're uneven. Lego sticker on the side. The lights on top. The hook. My favorite part of the semi truck is this right here. Oh, snap. There it goes. Stand up. Mirrors are cool, they turn. Doors open. The on the sides, inside the cab, the inside of the cab. Yeah, there's not much in here. The seat, wheels, steering wheel, bed, seat right there. Yeah, so overall on this set, oh my god, I am sorry. My tiger, get out of the blue. Yeah, he's like. Overall, I don't know how much I got it for. I actually do not know how much I got it for. I got it for you. So, yeah, it's pretty awesome. I'm glad my got it for me. Yeah. Awesome set. Overall, I would give it a 9 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. It's a very fun playset. Really awesome, and I love it. It's like my favorite one. The only problem though is I can't play with it on my little place right here. You can see it has a bunch of Lego sets. I got this set yesterday. Pretty awesome. I got a bunch of sets. The helicopter over there. Yeah, see? Well, anyway. Yeah, it can't fit on there, but it's still a pretty awesome set to play on the floor and all that. So overall, I would highly recommend it. It's pretty awesome. Peace.